This will be a quick one. Bear with me. I'll try and be snappy about it. All right. So if you're in my 102, Matt 187, English 102 pairing learning community, if you're familiar with my meme day assignments, or if you're not, basically, I'm going to give you that breakdown here. So be aware that there is a separate, we're going to have the weekly content, which you'll see in the Friday writing content reminders and things like day zero writing content or anything like that throughout the modules. But also as part of that kind of Friday work that makes it part of what has traditionally I've called like my meme day content, I'm going to try something a little different. If it may not be different because this might be the first time you've seen it. But here are the instructions, basically. And sorry for the weird formatting. It's because I'm on a squishy page and all that. But basically, you're going to have across the semester, you're going to have 15 reflective posts, and you're going to do it in this same discussion. So you're going to keep coming back to the same discussion, and you're going to see that this discussion show up all throughout the modules. So by the end of the semester, you and every other person in the class will have hit reply right here and created a post with these things. And each of these posts is worth 2 points, which I believe, I can't remember what percentage of the grade that is, but it's like 1% of the grade maybe, each. So your instructions, you're going to go find a meme or a GIF or just a personal image of something that you took on your phone recently or whatever, something that's representative of you. You can go grab it from your social media, but this is basically just helping us get to know you on the off days, especially since this is a hybrid, or this is being built for a hybrid. I may use it in other forms in the future. But you find a meme, a GIF, or a personal picture or image, and make sure, and you want to post it not by attaching it, but by embedding it. So embed the meme, the GIF, or the personal image, following the instructions in this video. So I'll try and show you, or possibly another one if I link a different one. But the goal is we want to not have to download it as a file. We want to just see it in your post, kind of like you see here. So that's one part of this. Then you provide 2 to 3 sentences. Then you provide 45 to 100 words of reflection. So if I posted this, fine, everything's fine. I might underneath it go, it's the first week of the semester or the week before the first week of the semester, and suddenly everything is due and needs to be built. And yeah, I feel like everything's fine, but I also feel like I'm drowning. And so hence why I chose this image, because work, but fun work, so it's like I'm all good as long as I hold my breath long enough to come up out of the swampy water. So that could be all I write in the reflection. Then I'm going to go and I'm going to find 2 people who have posted recently. Usually the 2 people just before me, I think, is what I say here. If you're first or second in the list, you can choose anyone. Feel free to come back a day later or by Monday. But if you're like the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and somebody's already posted, you can respond to the 2 people who posted before you. That's the idea. That way it kind of cycles through and nobody gets stuck, or nobody gets like 15 replies and then other people get like 0 responses. We don't want that. And then finally, as part of this, I do want you to do a quick upload of writing notes from the in-class part of the course. So this is you always do this. Wednesday's notes should get uploaded along with in the same post as your meme, where you've attached an image in your reply. And so to do that, you can't do it. I don't think you can do it from your phone unless you're in a web browser form of Chrome, not the mobile form. But you would go, let's see, insert image. And then when you go to upload the image, you want to go find the image as a URL, or if you've got it on your computer, you can go search through your files. I usually, to find a GIF or an image, I'll go into Google, I'll type the thing that I want. So I'll say like scary workload GIF. I'll go search it, and then I'll go images, and I'll find the one I like. Let's see, where's something fun or weird? Well, there's plenty of weird, isn't there? So let's see, Michael Scott. So I want people to be scared of how much they love me. So yeah, this doesn't quite fit what I'm looking for, but I'm just going to use it as the example now. I'm going to go and I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to copy the image address, not copy the image, not save the image as, though that might work if you then download and upload, but you can just copy the image address, That saves the URL for that image. Then we want to go back to where we were, which is here. And in the URL, I can post that URL. And so it will embed that image here. So that's how you will make sure that, here, let me show you. So when I hit submit, that's going to go here. And now that's in my post, and I can see that it worked. And then I'll go typey, 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 typey. This is why this is meaningful to me, blah, 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 blah. I'm going to cancel this post because I don't want to throw anybody off. But that's the instructions. That's how it works. Even though there's something that says attach a file here, don't do that. You can, yeah. So I want you to embed that. You can also insert documents. So you can, same thing you would, so that's what you would do if you're inserting your notes or uploading images, maybe pictures you took of your writing notes that you hand wrote out in class. The same principle applies. So use that instead of attaching files, insert and embed them using this function, which won't be on your phone necessarily, unless you go into the web view of Canvas and not the app. So I'm sorry that it's weird. It is the technology we have, and we will learn about technological affordances and benefits and struggles. So the basics are: post a meme, GIF, or personal image, embed it, don't attach it, write a reflection of why that matters. Provide 2 to 3 sentences of response to other people's memes, to other people, and following those logistics I've given, and upload your writing notes. This will be almost every week on the course schedule. You can see it every Friday, and that is separate. This meme posting is the only thing that's not going to be in your portfolio assignment. So you're going to do this weekly, and you're going to do it to the same discussion every week. So it's going to get really big by the end of the semester, because you're going to be able to see 15 posts or 15 different meme content days like this, or meme reflection days. So hopefully that's somewhat clear. I don't expect it to take more than 10 or 15 minutes a week for this specific assignment. So you should be able to find an image or a GIF or a meme fairly quickly, couple minutes. Take less than 5 minutes to write a 100-word reflection on why this is meaningful. Treat it like a social media post. Doesn't have to be perfectly grammatically correct. It's just, this is where my brain's at right now. I'm struggling with this. I'm excited about this. I ate tasty food, and here's my picture of my Olive Garden breadsticks. I don't care. And I care. I don't care exactly what the content is. I care that you're reflecting, and I get to learn about who you are and what you're doing, and your classmates get to as well. So this is the personal side on our non-in-person days. So don't go crazy with it. Do it just with that. Get the picture, embed it, write your reflection, respond to other people, and then take a couple minutes to upload your notes from Wednesday by Friday. That's it. Nothing crazy. There are other assignments that have like writing content where you watch the videos and do all that. That's separate. That'll probably take a couple hours per assignment and everything like that. Whole other thing. So this is just 10 to 15 minutes. Just where am I at? What am I thinking? How's life? Right? Nothing crazy. And connect with your classmates as well. Respond to what they're dealing with and be kind. That's that. So that is officially the meme, GIF, personal image, and notes discussion. It's going to be ongoing throughout the semester. And I'll be checking up on those as when I check up on the portfolios as well, to make sure everybody's being consistent with that. So I hope you have a wonderful first week, or if you're watching this later in the semester confused, I hope that it hasn't been terrible. But feel free to reach out if you have any questions. As always, I am here to support your success. So let me do that by asking for help when you need it, and we'll have a good semester together.